Hi, this is Natasha, and today we're going to be talking about my shoes. Shoes that I bought on sale from Shoedazzle. Very good price. I don't remember how much exactly I spent for it. I spent for each, but I do know that these yellow lovelies, which I thought was green, were only $10. Can you believe that? Look how pretty they are. Look at that. Yes, yes, yes. And here's the other one that match. Isn't that just nice? Right color for summer. Alright, so the next pair I got was these here. And these are Wedge sneakers. That's pretty as well. Just gotta find something to go with it. So I'm gonna have to shop some more. I don't mind shopping if it's within my budget. But these are just so lovely, aren't they? Look at that. Look at that. Just so pretty. I think I got these for like I want to say anywhere from $20 to $25 for the sale. I don't remember too much how much it was. It's been a little bit. Alright, so next I'm gonna, because these didn't come from Shoedazzle, so I want to show the ones that came from Shoedazzle first. So what we get here, so I've been looking for something gray, like gray shoes, gray purse, or gray. Something I'll have, because I don't have anything gray and I needed something gray, so I went ahead and I ordered these here. And I do believe these were on sale for $15, as you can see here. Isn't this nice? Look at that. These are just so pretty. And these are a size 7.5. I usually wear a 6.5. So I'll buy my sneakers in a 6.5. Well, when I buy my sneakers 6.5, they're kind of still big on me. So I know I need a 6, but I go with 6.5. But when I buy my regular shoes like these boots or any other shoes like sandals, I buy a size 7.5. So just in case my feet swell, I can still be able to get in and out of my shoes. So that's why I buy them so big. So these are like a 7.5, as I said. But they're so pretty. You see the fringe? Look at that. Just so nice. And here's the other one to match. Like I said, I think it was $15. It's anywhere from $15 to $25 is what I got them for. So, and then the last ones that I got on there were these here. And I found the dress that's going to match it. Well, I bought a dress that matches it. So I'm going military, which is really unusual because we live in a military town, Fort Hood. So you see a lot of what they call pickle suits around here. So you see a lot of soldiers in these colors. So, and still, here I am, been raised around them all my life, born into the military as a military child, and raised around them all my life. I still like the military prints, representing my country. Isn't these nice? And I do believe I got these for, it was between $15 and $25 on the sale. Here's the other one that match. Alright, lastly, I picked these here up. I did not get them off of Shoedazzle. I got them off of eBay, and they were $50, and that was on sale. Let's see who's the maker of these. I'm thinking back with Shoedazzle, when they had to have the different stars that would come out with their own shoe line. I mean, they started it again with like Kelly Rowland and the other one, Rita Ora, I think it is. But they used to have it where it was so nice to want to shop there because everything was so glamorous. And I do believe back then Kim Kardashian was the representative of the fashion back then because they used to do a lot of things with her in the shoe line. When they When they became one, when Shoedazzle and Fab shoes became one, it was like the quality of the shoes went down. And it made me where I don't want to really buy from them all that often. So now I look every place else for shoes. But these here, I got off of eBay. And the maker of these shoes, let me see. Cape Robin. Let's see if I can get it off in there. No, it's too dark. But these are Cape Robin shoes. I think I'm gonna change out the shoelaces from the red to something more. I'm thinking yellow, like a neon yellow. Would that be too much? Comment down below if you think that would be a little bit too much. Or maybe I should just leave them red. Anyways, I love these shoes. It gives off the right amount of punk fashion and bad girl type of situation, and I'm loving these shoes. I can't wait to wear them. Well, please do leave a comment on what shoes that you liked it the best. Please do like and subscribe, and may God be with you and you have a blessed day. And it depends on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night. Bye.